Hey, what's up everyone? So, as a realtor, I'm supposed to be able to give my clients great tips. Would you agree? Well, something I'm sure that will resonate with all of you is the topic of living in a show-ready house. You know, when you're trying to sell your home, you want it to look its best at all times, but you also have to live in it. It can be tough to find that balance. With these tips, you should be able to keep your home looking great while still being able to enjoy it. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Byram. I'm a realtor and investor in the Dallas-Fort Worth market, working with clients looking not only to buy or sell a home, but to make money doing so. If you want to stay up to date on all the latest real estate news and insights, be sure to follow the channel and share this content with your friends and colleagues. Smash that bell too. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when I release new videos and content. If you find value in what I'm sharing, don't forget to hit that like button too to show your support and help me reach more people who can benefit from this content. Thanks again for being such a valuable part of the community. Living in a show-ready house can be challenging, but it's not impossible. With a few simple strategies, you can help keep your home clean and organized, even with the demands of daily life. First up, use containers. We've all been guilty of coming home and throwing our keys on the counter or dropping the mail on the table, but this can quickly lead to clutter and make your home look messy. To combat this, try using containers. Put a basket or a Tupperware container in places where clutter tends to accumulate, like the entryway or your living room. This way you can quickly toss your keys or other small items into that container and keep your surfaces clear. When it's time to show your home, simply stash the containers in a cabinet or take them with you. This will help you keep your home looking tidy and make it easier to prepare for showings. Plus, using containers is a simple and affordable way to stay organized and keep your home show ready. Second, pick a room. If you've got little ones running around or furry friends that are always making messes, keep your house in a show ready condition can be a challenge. But don't worry, I've got a trick for you. Pick a room. This is a space where you and your family can let loose and live normally without the pressure of having to keep everything picture perfect all the time. Maybe it's the living room, maybe it's a family room, or even a playroom. It's up to you to decide. Now here's the key. When it's time for a showing, make sure to tidy up and focus on cleaning that one designated room first. This way you can quickly put away any stray toys, vacuum up the pet hair, and make the room look spotless. Plus, if the rest of the house is looking a little lived in, potential buyers will be more likely to overlook it if they see one space that's clearly designated as a kid or pet zone. Now I know what you're thinking. Brandon, I'm already juggling so many things. How am I supposed to remember that everything that needs to get done every single day? Well, that's where a checklist comes in. Creating a checklist might sound daunting, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Start by writing down a list of tasks that need to be done daily to keep your home looking its best. And don't worry, you don't have to do it all on your own. Well, that is unless you're single. Get the whole family involved and delegate tasks based on age and ability. Make the minions earn their keep. I'm kidding. But really, put them to work. Have the kids make their beds, put away their toys before leaving for school. Assign one family member to empty the dishwasher while another takes out the trash. Designate someone to move the dog beds and wipe down the bathroom sink. By breaking up the tasks, it feels less overwhelming and more manageable for everyone. But what tasks should be on the list? Well, it depends on your home and its unique features. However, there are a few things that should be on every show-ready checklist. Make sure beds are made, countertops are clean, the floors are clean, and the bathrooms are tidy. It's also important to check the windows and mirrors for smudges, and to replace any burnout light bulbs. Once you have your list, display it somewhere prominently, like on the fridge or a bulletin board. That way everyone can see what needs to get done and can check it off as they go. And don't forget to update this list as needed. As your home is shown, new tasks may come up, so just add them to the checklist as well. Creating a routine and sticking to it will help make sure your home stays show ready and save you from any last minute scrambling before a showing. Not only that, but maybe it will stick and your new home can be working like a well-oiled machine too. As a realtor, I know how stressful it can be to keep your home show ready while still living in it. But keeping these great tips in mind will make it a little easier. And the best part, you don't have to stress out about it. Just remember, using containers can keep the clutter at bay. Pick a room to focus on cleaning for showings, and create a checklist to stay organized. Hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure you like and share it with your friends and family. and don't forget to follow the channel for more real estate tips and insights. Thanks again.